Hello guys, my name is Kushal Goti and I am going to show you how to fix NVRAM into 10 error in your mobile itself by manually. For this you need a root browser. I suggest you to use ES File Explorer because it is easy to use. You need to have an app named Hex Editor. You can download it from Play Store. Hex Editor. I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. Then go in ES File Explorer. You need to have root permissions. You can see it should be on. Go in device data. Then you can see there is one NVRAM folder. Then there is APCFG folder. Click on it. Then go in APRDB folder. You can see there is a file named Wi-Fi. You have to copy it in your SD card. You can see there is a Wi-Fi file in my SD card also now. After that you need to open Hex Editor. You can see here is Hex Editor. For this also you need root permissions. Go in files. Then you can see there is HD card. Click on it and you can see there is Wi-Fi file here also. Click on it. Now you can see the first line which is called as 00000000. Click on the first option. You can see there is 04 is the first option. It will be different in other devices. So click here. You can see here is address 00000. Click here. At the right side, right left options are there. Click on the right. You will see the numbers are changing in the address. It's 1 now. Then here is 2. Then 3. Then 4. See the fourth. The fourth one is, it means that your MAC address has been started. From fourth number your MAC address starts. So whatever your original MAC address is, it just see that from different ROM, from your stock ROM, or maybe you would know it from your guide or something else. Click on the fourth here. You can edit it by just by the keyboard. See, every MAC address is different, so don't copy my MAC address because there will be still NVRAM error if you copy it. Then 5 here, then 6, 7, 8 and 9. In the 9th number your MAC address ends. You can see from 4th it starts and in 9th it ends. After copying your MAC address in every number, here 8, 4, you have to copy it in every number, and after that you have to save here. Here you can see one icon is here of memory card. Just click on it. It will be saved. This option is from here only, not from below options. You could start it from first option, that is 00000000. You have to click here, then go at the fourth option, and here you will see start MAC address. After saving, you have to save file. Click on save file, go in option and save file. The file will be saved. After that, go in AS File Explorer and you can see there is Wi-Fi file here, the same Wi-Fi file, it is just edited. Copy it and go again in data, NVRAM, APCFG folder, APRDEP folder, delete the old one, click on SD card, copy it and paste it here in the APRDEB folder. After pasting, just reboot and it's done. Thanks for watching the video guys, and it's time to leave. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit a like button. Thank you very much.